Good morning, folks. It's Crazy Ira again for Firkins, Chrysler, Jeep, and Dodge in Bradenton. I just took in a gorgeous 2011 Dodge Caliber. Granite in color. As you can see, it's got alloy wheels. It's got brand new tires on it. It's got 91,212 miles on it. It's got tilt, it's got cruise, AM, FM, single CD. It's even got, inside the glove box, a cooler, power windows, power door locks. This also has seating for 5, plenty of room for luggage. It's even got a cargo security cover to protect your valuables. This is a one-of-a-kind car, great for a college student to go away. Folks, if you want a crazy deal, you gotta call me, Ira Salem, 845-304-3914. You're only gonna find this car at Firkins.